It was difficult.
Open source contribution like in LangChain isn't always a walk in the park.
Sometimes your PR request get cancelled and you need to reopen your PR request again.
In Shorthills, we had our product BVR, Best Views Reviews, and in that we had to work on search. I used to extensively read and study about Elasticsearch every day. There I found a bug and I thought of contributing it.
We found some small issues, right? And we followed the structured approach to contribute in the LangChain. We fixed that issue at our copy of repository, raised the pull request to the LangChain. LangChain reviewed it, approved it, and then merged it.
I am open source contributor to Elasticsearch. During my research, I found a bug and I, raised a PR request for contributing to it.
To contributing in anywhere, you have to first extensively study it, extensively read about it.
To contribute effectively, you need to dive deep into the code base, understand how the different components of functions works.
First of all, you need to go thorough research about the topics. You need to follow their contributing guides, and based on that you have to follow their steps, and you need to open a PR request.
I am thinking of contributing in ML flow.
We have also contributed to the open source library.
I am trying to contribute on LangChain.